Angelique, we're right outside one of the Sonora Quest locations here in southern Arizona. Now, on the organization's data dashboard, this is not AZDHS, but this is the Sonora Quest organization's dashboard. It shows more than 60,000 COVID-19 test results are still pending. And in some cases, those results are just taking too long to get.
Pima County Health Director Teresa Collins says a COVID-19 testing sample has a shelf life before it could possibly get spoiled.
Most swabs are good for up to 72 hours. There is some recommendation from the CDC that after a day, you make sure it's in a refrigerated place.
Collins says the sample could live longer if it's kept frozen. She says when the pandemic started, the testing concern focused on the lack of test kits. Now, 4 months later, her biggest concern?
That we will overwhelm the ability of the testing organizations to be able to effectively turn out tests in an efficient and timely manner.
We wanted to know more about the backlog at Sonora Quest. A spokeswoman sent News 4 Tucson this statement, quote, "Due to the significant increase in testing demand, Sonora Quest is currently processing priority samples within 24 hours and reporting all other results within 9 to 12 days. They are working as quickly as possible to bring additional testing instrumentation online with a goal of reducing turnaround time in the coming weeks. The goal is to have test results available within 24 to 48 hours for anyone tested."
How can 9 to 12 days be acceptable?
Well, it's not. What we've lost is the opportunity to identify your contacts and ask them to isolate too.
Now, Dr. Collins says there is one part of the testing process that could produce false negatives in COVID-19 testing more than anything else. It's not necessarily an extended shelf time, or shelf life rather, of the test. You're going to find out what that is coming up at 6 o'clock in our Getting Answers segment with our Priscilla Casper. We've got you covered. We're live right now on the northwest side. I'm Eric Fink, News 4 Tucson.